So Dr. Lindsey and Lindy here. We're doing a whole bunch of videos today, and I was just looking at the ones we're doing. Like 6 of these guys are badasses that do badass jobs on behalf of our country.
I don't think we're doing like the biggest of the biggest of the biggest of the badasses video one of these days.
We should do that, yeah.
He came for Christmas, right?
Right. So this fellow he's almost as mean as the Mean Marine we did back in 2009. In fact, he may be meaner.
They're nice. They're just badasses.
This dude is something. And he just got back from a mixed martial arts contest over in Australia, where he told me a fellow that was about your size and pudgy kicked his ass. And
really?
I find that hard to
believe. You see, if I
get
get down from this steppy stool, you see how tall I am.
Yeah. So he said, never judge a book by its cover, Wendy. So quit doing that. Anyhow, this cat came in 14 months ago from way far away, and we did 1,300 or 1,400 grafts to his hairline. And he sent me pictures. I don't know. Somehow you know his wife's friend or something like. So anyhow.
Well, yeah, I know people.
So anyhow, he shows up at 14 months, and this is what he looks like. And on one hand, I think that looks fantastic. It's a wall of hair. And the other hand, I think his hairline's a little too straight. We did it like that. I put a few bumps out in front. You can see right here. But doggone, his hairline's a little too straight for my taste. And so I think as a result, at some point, we're going to add 50 or 60 grafts to irregularize that hairline. And then, of course, he's got a little case of hair greed. There's 2 or 3 other spots he wants us to look at. But, boy, I'd say this is an A result.
Yes.
And another tough guy. Here's a close-up of his scar. And he's an all-around fun fellow to work with. If we can help you, please give us a call.